stop looking at the monitors for 5 seconds. You're gonna burn your retinas out. We should have left the city after the relay hub. No, you just had to start decrypting everything we stole. I know. The data won't decrypt itself. You've been staring at that scrolling green hell for 3 hours. Eat something. Or sleep. I'll pull the first watch. Hey. Look at me. The shoulder is fine. It's a graze. I've had worse from training exercises. Don't give me that worried look. It doesn't suit a rebel hacker. You're supposed to be cold-blooded, remember? Alright, fine. It stings a little. Happy? Now tell me what you found. You've been quiet since you cracked the 3rd encryption layer. That's usually a bad sign with you. Names? What names? You're saying it's not a financial ledger? It's a hit list. Project Chimera, predictive correction. God, they weren't just tracking dissidents. They were calculating who might become one. Hey, I didn't know. They told us it was a firewall. A threat detection system to keep the city infrastructure from being hijacked. I was the one who signed off on the perimeter security for those servers. I told you, I thought I was protecting the city. Not... Is my name on there? Don't lie to me. If I'm a variable now, I need to know. Well, at least I'm finally number 1 at something. You noticed that, did you? Guess I shouldn't be surprised. I thought I was more subtle. Yeah. Back when I was hunting you, I dropped your IP trace 3 times, actually. My team thought it was signal interference from the rain. You know, it's funny. You trusted Rhiannon with your life, and yet now that you know the woman behind the screen, you still look at me like I'm going to sell you out by morning. I helped you because I needed to know if someone could actually beat the system. If you could beat it. Then maybe the system wasn't as perfect as they told us. Maybe there was a way out. Both of us. Down. Get away from the window. They bypassed the street sensors. That's not the police. Those are the cleaners. Automated units. They don't have a negotiate setting. Grab the drive now. We have maybe 90 seconds before they flood this level with neurogas. Stay behind me, keep your head low, and for once in your life, do exactly what I say. Move! Stop. Stay back. Behind the crates. Don't move until I tell you. Clear. Keep moving. Follow my shadow. Stay low to the ground. Those seeker drones have thermal optics. If you break the silhouette, we're done. Yeah. Damn it. The wound's opening up. I'm fine. I said I'm fine. Just keep your eyes on the terminal. Can you see their frequency yet? They're cycling the encryption. They've never done that before. They're scared of you. Good. Use that. Wait. We can't go through the market. Too many cameras. The service tunnels are flooded. No. Give me a hand. Give me a hand. Lean into me. Hide your face against my neck. To anyone watching, we're just another couple stumbling home from a club. If you see a drone, don't look up. Just hold on to me. Well, this feels familiar. Rain, bad odds. You trying very hard not to trust me, but still kissing me back. You're shaking. Is it the cold? Or is it me? Don't worry. I've got you. I'm not letting anyone touch you. I won't even let them get close. Not after what I saw on that list. You're the only one who can bury them. And I'm the only one who can get you to the uplink. Contact 3 o'clock, tactical unit. They spotted the deck in your bag. Run for the alley behind the noodle shop. Go. I'll draw their fire. I said go! Don't look back. Hack the security gate at the end of the alley. I'm right behind you. Did you get it? Is the gate locked? Nice work. That'll buy us 2 minutes. Maybe 3. Look at me. Look at me. I need you focused. We're half a mile from the broadcast tower. Once we're inside, there's no way out but the roof. If things go south, if they corner us, you take the drive and you run. You don't wait for me. Do you hear me? This isn't about reluctant trust anymore. This is the mission. You're the signal. I'm just the noise to distract them. Now give me a deck. I need to bypass the elevator's weight sensor so they think we went to the basement. Time's up. One more run. Are you ready? Then let's go burn their world down.